Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this video we're gonna talk about to define header in C++. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do basically is explain why we need this. So sometimes you guys will probably need some kind of variable which is fixed on the header to give kind of a hint on how to kind of initialize some function. So you guys probably will need this sometimes along the way. So this is called define, as you guys can see here. So this basically starts a variable with some number. So let's say non-threads. I'm going to create a variable here, non-threads, and I pass some value here. So to initialize a variable here, I need to pass the defined, the name of the define. Basically, is most of the times all caps. Okay. So let's say 8. So if I come here and I type known, we should see known threads here. Known threads. Let's add it in now. Let's execute. So let's wait a little bit till the compilation is completed. It's taking quite a while. Okay. So you guys can see that we can access now the value of known threads. So this can be very useful when working with some large projects. You guys need to define some variables out of the scope of your program. Okay, so that was a quick tip, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and see you guys next time.